Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make tomato pickle. Before I start the process, I would like to say something which is very important to follow when you are making the pickle. Before you start the process, you must clean your hands and the utensils that you are going to use for the pickle. And there shouldn't be any water droplets or dust or any wetness, so that the pickle stays for the long time. Otherwise, it may have bacterial or fungal growth on the pickle, so that the pickle may spoil soon. It may not stay for a long time. Okay, let's see the ingredients with the measurements. Here I am showing you for 1 kg tomatoes. 1 kg tomatoes, 1/4 kg salt, 150 grams of tamarind, 1/4 kg chili powder, 50 grams of mustard powder, 25 grams of fenugreek powder. For seasoning, oil, chana dal, black gram, mustard, cumin, crushed garlic, curry leaves I have used. You can use whichever way you are using the seasoning. Let's start the process. Here I have taken 2 kg of tomatoes which are not completely ripened. They are a bit raw. You can see the color, they are in yellowish. These kind of tomatoes are good for the pickle. Firstly, we are going to wash these tomatoes because they came from outside, right? So, I am just going to put all these tomatoes into the water and soak for 5 minutes. And then, slowly I am going to wash one by one, just like this. So when we are cleaning like this, so we are going to clean properly. Now we have to take a clean and dry cloth to wipe the tomatoes, so that all the tomatoes will be very clean and completely dry. If there is any water droplet or wetness, the pickle doesn't stay for a long time. So we have to wipe the tomatoes properly. After that, we'll allow them to dry for some time, maybe 1 hour. See, these particular parts may have some wetness, so let them dry properly. After they completely dry, we have to cut them. So take a knife which is completely dry and clean, and your hands also, and every part you can see it's dry. Now start cutting and make these tomatoes into small pieces. We have finished cutting the tomatoes, you can see here. Now we are going to add a salt in this. So here I have taken half kg of rock salt. You can even use the powder salt. So generally for 1 kg tomatoes we are going to use 1/4 kg of salt. Since I have taken 2 kg of tomatoes, I have taken half kg salt. Now we have to transfer this into a jar. So here I have taken a glass jar. We can use even ceramic jar and sometimes plastic. Plastic I don't generally suggest. Don't use the metal. Metal may react with the salt and the sourness in the tomatoes. So better we use a glass or ceramic. If you don't have glass and ceramic, I suggest go with the plastic. We have transferred the tomatoes and the salt. Bake well until the tomatoes and the salt mixed well. So then you just keep the lid and this keep it for overnight around 12 hours. After overnight you can see tomatoes and the salt mixed well and the salt is melted and become some juicy. You can see there's a lot of juice. And now we are going to separate the tomato pieces from this juice, just like this. These separated tomato pieces we are going to dry under the sun around 2 to 3 days. In this tomato juice we are going to add tamarind. So here I have taken 300 grams of tamarind. So for 1 kg we are going to use 100 to 150. Since I have taken 2 kgs of tomatoes, I am using 300 grams. So we are going to put all the tamarind in this juice and we'll keep till tomatoes dry. So that means around 2 to 3 days. So it will soak properly in the juice. Mix well and keep it aside. After 3 days, these tomato pieces are completely dried. You can see here. So it took for me 3 days. And the juice with the tamarind, you can see the tamarind is completely soaked. Now we are going to grind the pickle, adding some more ingredients. Let's see them. Half kg chili powder, raw chili powder, not added any masalas, and 100 grams of mustard powder, around 2 spoons, maybe 50 grams of fenugreek powder. Now we are going to add all together and grind them. So here I am taking little by little. If you are having a stone grinder, you can use all together. Since I am using the mixie, so my jar is very small, I am just using little by little, taking little by little. I have finished grinding the first one. You can see it's like a paste. Yeah, now we'll transfer that into a dry and clean bowl. And add the second set and do it until you finish. I have grinded everything. So you can see here it's completely mixed well, and you can see it's completely pasted. Now I'm going to transfer this into the same jar which I already used previously. So I'm not going to put the seasoning now. I'll just use whenever I wanted, because nowadays the oils are not so good, they don't stay for a long time. That's why I'm not going to use whole thing. I'm not going to put seasoning for whole thing. So I'll just take little by little. So I'm just taking this little bit of the pickle. Let's do the seasoning, and then you keep the remaining part with the closed lid and keep it in a safe. First put the oil. Once the oil is boiled, so add red chilli, dry red chilli, then chana dal and black gram, that means wo dal, mustard and jeera, cumin. And crushed garlic, maybe 5 or 6. And finally curry leaves. We are done with the seasoning. Now we are going to mix the pickle in this seasoning. That's all, friends. We are done with the pickle, and it's tasting so good. Already I tasted and seeing it's mouth watering, right? Yeah, you can also try. As I said before, the pickle will stay for 1 to 1.5 years. We have to keep this pickle in a safe and clean place, clean and dry place. Friends, thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe for more videos.